Hello darlings, I'm just going to show you a quick charity shop haul and some couple of things I made. Oh, I'm just sitting on a really big wad of paper. It's not helpful. Don't want to sit on that. Couple of things I made. I was looking at toilet tissue and noticing it all had different patterns on it. And I thought, oh, I'd like to keep that. And, you know, some of it's really pretty. But it didn't quite work out how I expected it. You can't see the pattern underneath it, really. That one's like shells there. Anyway, I spritzed it with some leftover ink and some little bits of paint and things, and then I put watered down PVA on top. But it's made quite nice backing paper, I think. A little bit of shimmer in there, but nothing really. I don't think I'd do it again. But it makes nice little backing paper, so I might use that. But it's really easy to tear. It's like I turned it into proper paper rather than toilet tissue. Anyway, there's that. We've been going on daily walks and I've been really fortunate to find some beautiful feathers. I have found, unfortunately, a big pile of feathers which indicates something has been killed and eaten there. But they're all white, so I'm thinking it is a dove or a white duck. I'm not sure. Perhaps you know from those ones, but you know, I collect feathers. I don't know. It's really weird, but if you ever seen oh, there's a lovely video where the crawdads sing. I've never seen a film that's like me. That's me. I love it. Feathers, anything nature. I keep myself to myself. Yeah, that was me. The only thing is people weren't horrible to, well, they were horrible to me in school, but at least I had a better experience than that girl did. But so then I found this big feather, which I believe is a raven feather, or it could be a magpie tail feather. I'm not sure. It looks a bit too long to be a magpie tail feather, so I think it's a raven feather. And a pheasant feather. And then in two separate places, some owl feathers. How cute are those? Look, that's obviously the under one. That's the top there. Isn't that beautiful? I love the very pale orange, almost on the tips there. So they go in my feather jar. So what did I find at the charity shop? Very exciting. My daughter went out without hairbands as well, so I had to get her hairbands. There we go. So I realised I don't actually have a lot of stamps, like seasonal stamps. So look, cherries, because I wanted that for a one that I'm going to do soon. That was £1. Don't know who it's with, but cherries. I think it's cherries. Could be apples. Plums, something that looks like cherries. Gorgeous strawberry flower fairy, £1. That is Estate CMB 97. That's a small. What's the big one? I have got another one as well. Look at that one. She's gorgeous. Inca stamps. £1.50. A little watery weather rainy one, which I was quite looking for. Sally. I'm trying to do some seasonal stamping and I don't have any. And there's my harvest one, a cornucopia, £1. That is by Rubber Stampede. Don't know who that one's by. Ooh, Ugalio. Sorry if I pronounce that. A shower of, oh, it's presents. Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's my little stamps. I collect necklaces as well, but I've never seen a painted shell one before. That is so cute. That was £3, which caught my eye, and I would wear that as well. Don't know who it's by, but I just thought it was really pretty. Some of those, of course, which my daughter is going to love making, so that'll keep her out of trouble. I've got some acrylic pad paper, which I'm going to be using in a bit, which has that texture on it. I love the texture paper, and it's very thick, so it's perfect. That was £2, and it's Reeves. I think these are normally about £5, so sometimes there's a price under there. Let's have a look. Oh no, I can't be bothered. Anyway, I'm sure these are normally £4.99. And then the best one, da, 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 look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I have no idea when it was made. So I'm going to cut it open because there's a little cup there. Let's cut it open. I'm glad they put the tape over where the old tape was, because it just ends up ripping in multiple places, and it's just not, you know, it's not necessary. But that is so gorgeous. Even when I am going to make the things out of it, and even when I've made the things out of it, I'll probably turn this into a big journal. But there we go. Oh, scissors. Oh, oh, this is so cute. Junior Miss Sewing Needles. There are some there, look. That's cute. And some cotton. Make sure there's nothing underneath. Nope, nothing underneath. Cute. I don't think this has even been used. Let's see. I love that sound. Oh, yeah, maybe they've done some. Let's have a look. Polly bookmark, flower brooch, Polly owl finger puppet, Scotty pen wiper. I don't know what a pen wiper means. Wipe your pens on the inner side. Why would I want to do that? Mini horse. Oh, one of the first things I remember making as a little girl was a miniature felt camel. And I have no idea where that went, because I was really proud of it. I think it just went in file 13. I was quite proud of it. Yeah, I don't know when this was made. Normally there is some sort of thingy-mabobby. Oh, look. Woo. I might finish that off, look. Oh, these are cute. Anything there? No? That's a purse shape. Okay, that is going to be my little jobby. I'm wondering, actually, there's no... I would say that was from the 80s. But yeah, that's my... little haul. That's my favourite one ever. Oh, not ever, because I always got lots of things. But there is definitely no copyright on that, is there? Okay. I'll have to look that up. I like this glasses case, which I could do with at the moment. Yeah, I'm going to be making those. So cute, so cute. So anyway, that is my charity shop haul. And what was your favourite? I don't know. Let me know in the comments.